everybody, it's Shanafi. Sorry if I have been MIA. I have not uploaded a single beauty video for this month and I apologize for that. Christmas is just around the corner and I have been quite busy because of this season, so I have not made a video for you guys. But to make up for that, I'm gonna host a Christmas/birthday giveaway! So this is just a very simple giveaway, but this is my own way of saying thank you for subscribing to my channel. I have reached more than 1,000 subscribers. That's just very unbelievable for me, so thank you very much for clicking the right button and subscribing to my channel and for watching my videos. All of these products are my favorites and I'd like to share it with you guys. They're not that expensive, but they really work. I would like you to try these products because I love these products. If you've been a subscriber for quite some time and if you watched my video, you would notice that I usually sport curly, messy hair. My motto in life is GGB, which stands for Gulo Gulo Buhok or Gulo Gulo Buhay. Now, if I have an early event to go to and I won't really have enough time to like glam up my hair in the morning, what I usually do is wash my hair at night and let it dry a little, and then I usually use this product to curl my hair overnight. You will wake up to natural, wavy, or curly hair in the morning. So I included this in the giveaway. Next product is this. This is KojieSan Skin Lightening Soap. It's a Kojic Acid Soap, and I give you my word on this. A lot of girls have asked me what did I do to lighten my skin, and this is my only answer. I use this soap as a bath soap, so after using regular antibacterial soap, I then use this for my body. I have used this for like 3 to 4 years, and boy, if you see my previous photo, you will see there is a very big difference. My skin has really lightened. It's not really that white, but it has evened out, and that's what I like. So I'd like you to try this. It won't last you for 3 years, but just give it a try. And it takes patience, you know. This is not a magic soap, but I'd like you to try this one. And next product will be for skincare. Of course, makeup is very helpful in making us a better version of ourselves, but I do believe that it all starts with good skincare. This is Etude House Facial Mask and Pearl. And believe me, I've tried almost all of their facial masks in this line, and this one is the most effective. Whenever I use this product overnight, I wake up to visibly brighter, more supple, and just softer skin ever. So this is really my favorite. I usually use this mask like maybe twice a month, or if I'm not lazy, at least once a week. And this really is effective. So I want you to try this. So I'm including this in a giveaway. Next product will be a makeup product. Now this is the simplest and probably the cheapest in the bunch, but I tell you, this is multi-purpose. This is one of my holy grail products. This is Sansan CYO, or create your own eyeshadow in the shade Deep Earth Brown. When I had darker hair, I used this product for filling in my eyebrows, and it really works like a charm. I believe Sansan has 2 shades of matte brown. The other one is warm copper fire, but I like Deep Earth Brown better for contour because it has this ashy tone to it, so it's perfect for contouring your face. So I also use this sometimes for my nose contour and for my face contour. It's really awesome. If you're in a hurry but you'd like a splash of color or definition on your eyelid, this is also a very good neutral shade for your eyes. So I included this. Now the next product is something that a lot of bloggers, YouTubers have raved about, and this is what I'm talking about. These are the most natural looking lightweight lashes, and probably the most affordable you can buy in the market right now. This is the ones that are made in Taiwan. You get 10 pairs of natural looking luscious lashes per box, so I think this would be a great addition to your makeup stash. And last but definitely not the least, I'm gonna give some beauty tools for you guys, and these are what I'm talking about. I'm gonna give 2 sets of eye brushes for you guys. Using good quality products really makes a difference in your makeup application. I have my own set of these and I've road tested it. Bristles are really soft and it has a very sturdy build and it's just very charming and gorgeous and it's really nice. But I find some of the brushes too big for eyeshadow application. So I also use these brushes for blending in my concealer or for doing some face contour. This is really awesome. So I'm giving away 2 sets of brushes. And that's it. Those are all of the products that are up for grabs for this Christmas/birthday giveaway. If you've noticed all of the products are in pairs, it's because it's Christmas and Christmas is a season for giving. And so if you join this giveaway, you will have the chance to win another set for someone dear to you, like your family, your friend, or whoever you'd like to share these prizes with. Now for the rules of this giveaway, first, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, you must be 18 years old and above. Or if you are younger, you must get your parents' permission to share your home address for shipping in case you win. And number 3, simply write a comment down below telling me the best Christmas gift that you've ever received so far. Also include your Instagram ID and the Instagram ID of the person that you'd like to share this with. And of course, I'd appreciate it if you follow me on Instagram. That's @ShanaP on IG. And yes, you can write as much comments as you want down below. And you can tag different girls or different people in each comment. That's totally fine. I would also appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this logo right here. And share this video to other girls who might be interested in winning these prizes. Sharing is caring and Christmas is the season for giving. So don't be selfish. Share this video if you could. I'm gonna write all of the rules in the description box, and in case I forget something, I'll just write it down below, so also check that out. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Next product will be products are in pairs. And as they say,